Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be covering a cheap alternative to turn your stock rims black, make the truck look a whole lot better. So Toyota did a good job, right, of giving us that black rim, but really didn't complete the process because on the outside it's still silver, on the TRD Sport and the off-road. And what I'm going to do is kind of put vinyl stickers along the outside to black out that rim and make the truck look a lot different. I have a hard time buying new rims that are already fully black, right, and tires, because my tires still have tread on them. I can still off-road fine, and when I do, it's gonna be a package deal. For vinyl stickers, there's a couple options out there. I'll leave a link below, and what I ordered from, it came with a spare and then alcohol wipes too to help clean your rim. So the first step is to clean the rim. The best way to do it is with some rubbing alcohol, put it on a paper towel, and just clean off any dust and debris that you're gonna see. So in order to make this process easier, putting the stickers on, and so I'm not pulling my hair out, I'm going to use almost like a soapy water mix to spray on my fingers too. Don't forget that because you're going to have grub on them, right, as you're touching the stickers. But on the stickers and on the rim. And that's going to help me, position it, squeegee out what I need to, push out the water, and just let it sit there and it will dry, hopefully. So a big thing to remember is to start from the bottom and then work your way up. If you're spraying the substance up here, right, it can pick up whatever dirt, grime, and kind of bleed on down to the bottom. And if you haven't put stickers down yet, right, that's going to cause a lot more little imperfections, impurities that you're going to have to clean out later. So to apply the sticker, we're going to soak down the rim first, get it nice and wet, then also spray down the sticker as well so it's super moist and just slides all over the place. Like the saying goes, wetter is always better. So if it starts kind of getting stuck and not moving on you, again, just peel off the sticker, soak it down, and reapply. So I'm not going to lie, putting these stickers on was pretty frustrating, but the best way I figured out how to do it, after peeling and putting them back on, is to kind of line up the edges first, kind of those corners, get those things set, and then kind of smooth the inside part of the rim and make sure that's aligned and covering the silver piece, and then everything to work out. You're going to have overhang on the outside of the rim that it's not going to stick down, right, because the sticker's too wet. Once it dries, you'll be able to push that down and it'll stick fine. It is a lot more satisfying to be done with this project and see the results than it was to actually put these on. It took probably 2 hours combined just to put everything together, and even then there was kind of little specks of dust, like things weren't perfect, right? But I was at the point where I'm done with this project, just wanted to be done. That last rim I literally threw together in, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. So ease of use putting on, probably 2 out of 10, but look change, 10 out of 10. Only time will tell if these stickers actually stay on, but for now I think they look solid.